So the first thing we should really consider to do first is we get our seed packet and we want to write a label. So these are just stick-in labels, and we can use these permanent markers, and this is quite a good way of doing it. And what we do is we tend to do it so the point's facing down the way, so we turn our label so it's like that, and then you can see that Marlene is actually writing a label here. She's put this Wallflower Sugar Rush, and then what I always do is I tend to put my initials on it so I know who's sowing the actual seeds. So if we're in a class situation and we want to have a little bit of ownership of our seeds, put our initials on, and then I always put the date as well so we know when they've been sown, and we can then figure out, sometimes we can have a bad batch of seeds and it can be that they're supposed to germinate within 14 to 21 days, and if it gets to like 30 days we'll know that the seed's not actually viable, there's something wrong with it, and we can either do another sowing of a different batch of seeds, or we just discard actually doing any propagation of those. So that's it. So we've got usually it's the botanical name, but in this case we tend to use the words Wallflower Sugar Rush. But you can see on that seed packet there, it says Ericium, underneath the word mix, it says Ericium cherry, get the pronunciation right. And we're going to do 2 labels to this. So it says 250 seeds, but we're going to split this particular seed packet in half and doing half and half into a standard seed tray.